Hello, here we have a Philips Zoom whitening machine. In this particular case, this is a Zoom 3 advanced power, and as you know, to make it work you have to attach a special guide with a chip to its head. This is a plastic thing and this is a small chip attached to it. Each guide has 4 sessions by 15 minutes each, and after you used up all 4 sessions you'll have to replace the guide. This particular guide has already been used, so let's check it. We turn on the lamp. We observe some system messages upon start, and we see guide status replace the guide. In this case you will have to replace this guide with a new one. Normally these guides come with Philips Zoom whitening kits. Let's try to replace the guide, but we replace it not with a standard guide but with a similar one, almost the same, but it has a different chip which is called Zoom Free, and this chip has unlimited number of sessions. Let's attach it here. Here we go. And what we see on the display of the lamp is 4 sessions available to us. Let's start the bleaching session. What we can see is the lamp starts working, the light is on, and the session timer is ticking. Now we interrupt the session by pressing the off button, and we see that still 4 sessions available, which would not be the case with the standard guide, because interrupting any session will decrease the number of sessions available. Now we turn the lamp off. Wait for a short period of time and turn it back on again. After some system messages, we will see guide attached here, which means that the guide is recognized, and still 4 sessions available. Let's launch another bleaching session. The timer is on and the lamp is working. Let's interrupt it again by pressing off, and we still have 4 sessions available, and so on. So in this case, using the Zoom Free chip in the guide, you have total control over your lamp by making it absolutely unlimited. And thank you for watching.